So I think it's very, very key. Funding of the Nigerian police, very, very key. And but anyway, let's move straight to our next conversation. The debate over consumer rights and corporate responsibility is heating up, with legal consequences in sight. A federal high court in Abuja has slated October 7 for the arraignment of MultiChoice Nigeria executives Chairman Adewumi Ogunsoya and CEO John Ugbe over alleged violations of the Federal Competition and Consumer Protection Act. The charges stem from MultiChoice's controversial decision to increase DStv and GOtv subscription rates by up to 25% in the month of March, despite regulatory warnings. The FCCPC has condemned the move as a defiance of lawful orders and a breach of consumer protection ethics. Okay, all right, gentlemen. Let me start again with BKO. BKO, can you hear me, please?
Yes, I can.
Okay, now, BKO, talking about the what exactly is MultiChoice accused of? And also, how serious is the obstruction of investigation under Nigerian law?
Well, MultiChoice is accused of a number of infractions. One, he failed to appear before the FCCPC on March.
Okay.
March 6, in response to lawful contrary to Section 33, Subsection 3 of the FCCPC Act 2018. It also refused to produce requested documents, thereby impeding the FCCPC investigation, again, contrary to Section 16 of the FCCPC Act of 2018. The FCCPC had earlier on March the 1st ordered MultiChoice to show up for hearing over its frequent price hikes, market dominance, abuse,
okay,
and anti-competitive practice. When it was invited to come and explain why it had to hike
okay. All right. Now, what are your thoughts on this matter?
So I think Vicky has already given us.
Yes, a prelude, exactly.
So they actually invited MultiChoice, to appear because of the consistent hike in their rates, the subscription. In fact, I know so many people who have even abandoned DStv, trying to look for other, pay TV, and all that for them to survive, at least to watch either, anything entertainment, anything sports, football. You understand? And some people have even gone online now, based on, the TV that you have. And the FCCPC thinks that if you keep increasing this, you are not giving other pay TV organizations an opportunity. There must be a fair market whereby other people can also survive. And the only person who can speak on behalf of the consumers
is the
FCCPC. Okay. So they told them, bring your documents, because they were claiming, as in MultiChoice, they were claiming that they had to increase because of certain things, and they gave the reasons why
they had to
increase. Okay, fine. FCCPC is saying, if you want to increase, we are not saying don't increase, but come and appear and show us the documents on the reasons why you need to, increase.
Okay.
But they failed to do that. Okay. And so they also took FCCPC to court, under this same Justice Omotosho. And the justice actually threw away their case, until another one now, they are now telling them, okay, we need to go and serve them. Okay. So I think they've served them. They are about to serve them so that they will be able to appear in October, so that they can hear them and get all these things done. Because the thing is, I, for one, I do not like it in a situation whereby when there are rules and regulations, companies want to flout the rules and regulations for their own reasons. Why not follow the law? And then if you feel that the law is against you and you feel that you need to seek redress, go to court. You know, so don't just feel that you must not obey the law because you maybe do not like the person that is in charge. It's not, that is not, if not, we'll just be in a very Obesian society, you know. So follow the law
Follow
first.
the law first.
The rules and regulations is, and the people who are actually taking care of consumers like you and I, is FCCPC. They say just appear. It's just for administrative reasons.
Absolutely.
Because it's in their law.
Exactly.
You know, so why not go there and just and you know, sort it out?
All right, Majid, let's look at this way. How do you think this development will impact Nigerian consumers who have been complaining about the DStv and GOtv pricing and also billing transparency? How do you think this will impact?
Let me just add this on. This afternoon, I also saw that they have reduced their subscription by 50%. I don't know, but we'll still,
I look forward
to do our investigation. We'll do our investigation.
But you know, my thoughts are a bit varied on this matter.
Okay.
Yes, FCCPC is supposed to protect the right of consumers.
Yes.
But then, when electricity tariff was increased, when they moved everybody to Bande, where is FCCPC? Yesterday, or 3 days ago, over the weekend, because Trump went to bomb Iran, Dangote and NNPC increased
the price
from
of petrol
870 to
900 and
at least by about 45 naira per liter. Where's FCCPC? When they increased the price of trophy that a lot of my friends take, have they gone to shut down international breweries? When landlords increase rent arbitrarily. So why is it that it is only MultiChoice? I mean, I can decide not to watch DStv.
So it's a matter of choice?
Yes.
You think it's luxury?
Yes, it's not a matter of life and death that people must watch DStv. Why are we not harassing Star Times? Why are we not harassing the other character? They are also increasing prices. So that is my own point. Dangote will not give notice, will not apply to FCCPC that I want to increase fuel price. Before they will...
So you think FCCPC should be not cherry pick and...
No, they are also operating in our markets. So when other prices go up, school fees is being increased arbitrarily.
All right, gentlemen. All right, gentlemen.
Let's going to school.
Let's go straight to our next conversation now. Okay, let's talk politics this time. Now, as the 2027 general elections approach,